how much can you stretch time, and then you release it. Is musicality something you can learn? I didn't grow up playing an instrument, and I don't have a musical background, but I realized how to learn it and use it to improve my dancing. When it comes to timing the steps in your dancing, there are two things to keep in mind. One, the beat of the music, and two, how you rhythmically play with that beat. If you think about the medical use of the terms beat and rhythm, it can help you to understand what they mean in music. Da, da, in, da. I got nobody to tell me that it will be fine. In this class, we'll cover elements of music theory and how to easily apply musical components to your dance. That instinct to move to music is the key to unlocking your ability to express yourself. And that's exactly what I want to teach you how to do.